Hey!
Hey!
Good.
Ow!
What?
I'm giving you a ride! Shotgun! Look! Woo! Yo!
Good.
Don't camp.
Yo, you got it muddy there. Nice.
Yo, city boy, got a little mud on the tires.
You're right. Mike, how are you gonna clean this shit?
That's it. It's gonna get a push broom, open up the tailgate, and just fucking push it out.
Fucking hurts. Fucking hurts.
Okay.
Fix it.
I don't know what to do.
Shotgun.
Okay, I never said you weren't gonna get shot.
All right, let's go to Bass.
Let me drive real quick, please.
No.
Let me drive it.
Please,
No.
let me drive.
I'm a certified Ford
No.
driver.
Dude,
You've certified me
please.
already.
I let you drive mine all the time.
No, you don't.
I want to experience Mike.
Of a fucking Ford? Yes. Why are you still recording this? What's that, like 3 or 4 minutes? Go.
Gah, gah, gah!